Better be some, like, background music, because this is boring.
The next review is, here's our next review. Three Musketeers mini.
Looks like a block.
So visually, is it enticing?
No.
Does it capture your imagination?
No.
Wow, it's actually a perfect block. I've never seen it that perfect before.
Good.
Everybody knows, man.
I don't like it.
You're not a fan of marshmallow.
That's not marshmallow.
Three Musketeers is always a marshmallow center.
It's mousse.
Oh, okay. Can I see that? Made
I don't
in.
like chocolate candy.
Oh my gosh.
What
Something.
is wrong with you?
Oh, these are by
I
Mars.
like candy, like this stuff.
May contain peanuts, contains milk, egg, and soy. I always thought Musketeers was marshmallow, but we've been told it's mousse.
Okay. That's what it says on the regular. What's that?
I don't know. I thought it was marshmallow.
What do you rate it? 5.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That's more than the Swedish fish, though. Because this is nasty.
Okay, what's your next review?
Let's do Starburst. Yeah.
Okay, for the next review, we have Starburst. You never know what you're going to get on the inside.